Hey creators, in the next minute I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into a razor-sharp architecture sketch with literally one tap. First, open the Telegram link in the description and grab the tiny PSD I just posted. Only a few kilobytes, so it downloads in a blink. Launch Photoshop 2025. Open that file. And you'll see a layer labeled Place Your Image Here. Double-click the Smart Object thumbnail. Drag in whatever photo you want. Portrait, skyline, your cat. Hit save, close the tab. Boom. Instant, clean sketch lines, no extra filters, no 5-minute workflow. If you feel like switching the vibe, double-click the color fill layer sitting right underneath. Pick any swatch you love, warm sepia, icy steel blue, or neon pink. Hit OK, and watch the sketch change in real time. Change your mind tomorrow? Same file, swap the photo, tweak the color again. It's all non-destructive thanks to Smart Objects.